Esse verbo aparece na sua vida inteira.
Hi everyone! If you're here right now, it's because you want to learn English, and so do I. Today, we're going to look at one of the most important verbs in English, the verb to have. No pressure, no rush, just us learning together. Let's start. You know, when I learned English, I thought some verbs were difficult. But I realized something. They're not difficult, they're just different. And the verb have is on the verbs that shows up everywhere. In conversations, in songs, and daily life. If you want to learn English and actually use it, you need to understand this verb. And today we're going to do that. Slowly, clearly, together. Let's begin with the basics. To have means possess something. In Português, we say ter. Em português, nós dizemos ter, but in English, we use to have for more than just things we own. We use to talk about things we possess, people in your lives, experiences we live, actions we do every day. It's not just grammar, it's real life. And that's why we need to learn this verb, not to pass a test, but to communicate. So let's see how it works. Okay, let's look at the forms of to have in the present simple. It's easier than you think. I have. You have. We have. They have. See? Some word? Have. Not intense. But when we talk about he, she, it, there is not a small difference. She has. He has. It has. Instead of have, we say has. That is it. That's the only change. Not has, not has, just has. On letter, on sound, that's all. Let's say it again, slowly. I have. You have. He has. She has. It has. We have. They have. Is, right? Now, let's see how we use it in real life. Let's use the verb to have in sentences that actually make sense. I have a phone. She has a book. They have a car. Simple. We're talking about things. I have a brother. He has brown hair. We have a small apartment. Now we're talking about people, about characteristics, about life. We have a question. She has a dream. They have time. See, the verb to have is everywhere. It's not just about owning things, it's about living. And the more you use, the more natural it becomes. Now, here's something interesting. In English, we use have in a lot of daily expressions. And at the first, they might sound a little strange, but trust me, they're super common. Let's look at a few. Have breakfast. I have breakfast at 7. Have lunch. She has lunch at the work. Have dinner. We have dinner together. Have a shower. I have a shower every morning. Have a break. Let's have a break now. Notice something. We don't say take breakfast or make a shower. Why? I don't know. English, just English. Now you know. And that's what matters. So, when you want to say you're eating breakfast in English, you say, I have breakfast. Not, I take breakfast. Not, I make breakfast. Just, I have breakfast. Got it? Good. Okay, let's talk about mistakes that almost everyone makes when they start learning English. I made it too. In português, we say, eu tenho 30 anos. So, it's natural to think we say in English, I have 30 years. Wrong. We say, I am 30 years old. We use the verb to be, not to have. Why? Honestly, I don't know. That's just how English works. But you know, you won't make that mistakes anymore. So remember, I have 30 years. Not wrong. Is wrong. I am 30 years old. Yes, is right. Simple, clear, done. All right, let's pause for a second. I want to think about your own life. Can you see the verb to have in your daily routine? Try say this sentence out loud if you can. Or just in your mind. I have a name. I have a routine. I have a dream. I have people I love. Simple sentence, but they mean something. That's the beauty of learning English. It's not about rules. It's about you. It's about expressing who you are, not in another language. And you're doing it right now. So that's it for today. We studied the verb to have together. We did rush. We did stress. We just learned it. And that's how I want to keep studying English with you. Because a little bit every day with calm, with patience. Because learn English doesn't need to be hard. It doesn't need to be hard. It needs to be constant. If this helped you, if you want to keep learning English like this with me, I'm making more videos like this. Simple, human, real. Because we're all learning and we're doing it together. Thank you for studying with me today. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.